Hello guys, this is How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how to fix Telegram too many attempts. At first, go to settings, then go to search for app management, and then click on it. After that, once it loads, you have to click on it and then search for Telegram. After that, go to storage usage, clear cache, and then go to manage space or clear data, whatever it says for you. And then come back on settings and search for date and time. Uncheck set time automatically and then forward the day by 2 or 3 days. And once you're done, your Telegram app should be working just fine. Thanks for watching. This is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until then, take care.